Every way a patient reaches you, a call, a text, a Facebook message, a chat on your website, lands in one place. This is your inbox. Phone, SMS, Facebook, Instagram, your website, all on one screen. No more checking 5 apps. And each conversation shows its channel right on it, so you always know how someone reached you. Feeling buried? Filter it. Flip between everything and just what's unread, so you only see what actually needs you. Open any conversation and you'll see how your AI already handled it. The questions it answered, the details it caught. And here's the team part. Drop a note on any conversation. The patient never sees it. It's internal only. And tag a teammate by typing the @ sign and their name. They get pinged. That's your whole front desk, coordinating right on the conversation. And when you want to step in yourself, you just reply. And if a patient's reachable on more than one channel, you pick which one to send through. Your AI steps back, you take it from there. One inbox for every patient, every channel, with your team right there on it. Check it once a day. Your AI's got the rest.